Welcome back to a new tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how can you simulate this I-beam. So let's start the video. Click on the simulation. Now click on new study. As I told you in previous video, we have to choose the static one for now and say OK. Now I will apply certain material. Choose any random one or the material that you have. Click on apply and close. Now you have to fix this beam from somewhere. It's up to you. For now, let me just fix this beam from this face and press and hold Control key and choose this face. I will say OK. Right. Next, what you have to do, I will apply certain load. Click on force. Choose the location where you want to apply. Let me choose this surface for now. And right now my force is perpendicular. So now need to change the direction. If you need the direction to change, click on select direction. Choose the unit SI and assign the load 1200 for now. I will say OK. Now each and everything is done right now. I will just click on the run this study. It will take a while. Now it's solving my problem. See? So after this much load, your beam will be deflected like this. This is the one nice stress that the red region shows the correct position. Okay. So now let me animate this beam. How it is going to be deflected. Just right click on the stress and click on animate. See? This is how your beam is going to be deflected after applying this much load. Slow down the speed and now animate. See? Still this load is not too much because we are not getting the red region. Okay? If we have this much stress, okay? So then, and still somewhere if you look the red region, it's mean here is the crack chances, okay, to crack this beam, to crash this beam. Same here, if you want to look at the displacement, double click on displacement and animate this. See? Now you will see this red region because in this region the stress concentration is more and I have chances of the crushing of the beam. Same here, if you look at the strain and animate this, so now this is the E strain flow chart. Okay, so hopefully you got the point. This is enough for today. See you in next tutorial.